A mate of mine recommended that I check out the CladMate system. It's a two-step system. Slide it under your last board, lock it into place, grab your board. The good thing about the CladMate system basically allows chippies to be able to clad completely by themselves. Don't have to hold it while you pin it off. Once it's in place, you know your boards are straight and you can nail away. CladMate system for us, we've found that it's probably cut the time to do this project by about half, I would say. In terms of looking at linear cladding, I don't think I'd ever do cladding without them again.
Check out these CladMate weatherboard clamps. You just slide the CladMate behind your last board. Lock it into place with the handle. Grab your board, set it in CladMate slots so you can nail away. That gives you the perfect lap on every board. You don't have to chalk lines. They don't slip, and we've found the holding strength really good. We have used them on fibre cement and timber boards so far. It is great for awkward and hard to reach spots as well, like when you're up on a roof or working on scaffolding.
Order yours now at cladmate.com.au.